This is the budget gaming PC I built in my last video. The specs include the Pentium G4560 and the Gigabyte GTX 1050Ti. In regards to the build, there wasn't much room to work in the case, and the cable management was a bit of an issue, but it was worth it. Using the Kolink K6T case, we got a great result aesthetically. Also, using the Be Quiet Silent Wings 2 case fans made for a really quiet build, and the only real discernible noise was coming from the stock CPU fan. So, how did it perform? Let's find out. Here's some benchmarks, all run at 1080p. Well, that's all we've got time for on this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to drop us a like if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got loads of great content coming up, so make sure you don't miss it, and I will see you later.